Good day, my name is KafraM, and I'm presenting to you the COSTAT Student Sharing Center. The aim of the Sharing Center is to provide an online space where students of the college could assist each other by asking questions and responding to those concerns, and generally by sharing helpful information. The online communication is to encourage college community spirit, and hopefully this can be achieved through the ease and comfort of them being able to share with their colleagues via the Sharing Center. So now we will look at a demonstration of the COSTAT Student Sharing Center, or the CSSC. So this sharing center is intended to be accessed via the college portal. So in other words, you have to be an enrolled student or alumni and have a student ID and password in order to log in. So the first thing I wanted to talk about is the security of it. Being able to access the sharing center means that you have to log in first. So if it was that a student trying to pull up any random page without logging in, they'll just automatically be redirected to the login page. And this is what you're about to see here. So I'm changing the URL in the browser to access the blog of the CSSC. When I hit enter, the page automatically refreshes and redirected to the login page. To show validation, I'm going to log in with an incorrect student ID and password. When I submit this information, a message shows that there is an invalid login and you need to try again. So now I'm going to enter correct login credentials. When I submit, you see I've been redirected to the blog because this is the page I was trying to access before. But I'm going to show you the home page, which gives you a brief idea of what the CSSC is about. So of course there's a blog where students could add topics and ask questions. There's a project section for students to share personal projects that they need help on. And it tells you that there are other links that you can access to get information about the college. When going to the blog, you see that there are a list of posts being displayed in chronological order. So the page here is set to hold a minimum of 4 posts, just to show you that it will have different pages when many posts are added. So going back to the first page, I'm going to show you now how to add a new post. So in a new post, you can add a title and you can add your information about the post. As you can see, a preview is displayed to the right. So you can see, get an idea of what the post is going to look like. You have the option to add an attachment, which could be a picture or PDF file. So here I'm choosing to add a picture. I can save, and the message tells me that the post has been created successfully and automatically shows me the post when it's opened up. So you see the title, the image I added, and the bit of information. Going back to the blog just to show you that it has been added, seeing as it's most recent, it's the one at the top. And I can go to a page with my posts to show you that it has indeed been added. So this is a student named Lily Potter that I'm logged in as. So you see her posts. So I clicked on the title, and because I'm the owner, I have the options to edit and delete the post. So I'm showing you that I can't edit it. So I'm changing the title. You see in the preview, the title has also changed. And I'm going to save the file. So post updated successfully, and as you can see, the title has been changed. I'll go back to the blog, and on the blog you're seeing the title changed to Test IT. Now I'm going to show you that I can delete the post. So a prompt comes up asking me if I'm sure I want to delete it. I can click cancel if I didn't want to, but I clicked OK because I want to delete it. So I'm redirected to the blog. The message says that the post has been deleted, and as you can see, it has been removed from the blog. To confirm this, I go to my post and you see that there is no longer a post with the title Test IT. So now in the blog, I'm going to select a post from another student. This student asked for some assistance because they created an anchor tag and it's not working properly. So I realized what the issue is, so I'm commenting to assist the student. So I'm letting her know that the anchor tag wasn't closed properly. And after this, I will be able to click comment and submit the comment. So the comment is presented underneath the post. You can see Lily Potter. It says, "Hey Kafra, you didn't close the anchor tag. I have the option to delete or reply to it." I can also report this post. Of course, as you can see, I'm not the owner, so I can't edit or delete it. Reporting the post will go directly to the quick section. The projects page is similar to the blog, where projects are posted in chronological order. The difference is that they have categories. So, for example, here, information technology, journalism, media, and education. So, selecting one of the projects, you can see how it's displayed. There's the title, and this is a file that would have been attached, a PDF file. It shows the author, the categories, journalism and media, and the date that it was posted. And here's the file, the frame, so I can view it. And of course, I can also add a comment below it if I like. So from here, you can actually click on the author's name in order to view their profile. So I've clicked on Jane's name and her profile comes up. It gives her name, her student ID, she can put a profile picture, her personal email. There are about me, qualifications and skills sections which she can edit. Here, because it's not my profile, there isn't an edit button at the bottom of the profile. I can go to my profile page by clicking on my name at the top right corner. So we're clicking Lily Potter. So you can see her profile here. She has a profile image, her name, her ID, her personal email. And she's already edited her about me, qualifications and skills sections. So I'm going to show you how I can edit the profile. So I'm going to choose a different profile image. So you see it's been changed there. And I'm going to add a few words into the about me just to show you how the text is also updated. So here I have the option to cancel if I don't want to save it, or I click save, of course, to submit the changes. So it tells me the profile has been updated successfully, and as you can see, Lily Potter's profile image changed and the few words that were added to about me are displayed. So I'm going to log out. Ask me if I want to log out, so I can confirm and click OK. And now I'm going to log in as another student, so I could show you how a discussion on the post would look. So he's going to reply to a comment. So I'm logging in as a student named Ryan Black. As you can see, his name appears in the top right corner. But I'm going to the blog. And I'm going to return to the same post where the student had the issue with the anchor tag. So here, when you view the comments, you see Lily's comment where she suggested to Kafra, hey, you need to close the anchor tag this way. So I'm going to reply to her comment as Ryan. I'm basically just agreeing and saying for sure that this is how it should be fixed. Saying most definitely the problem. Submits the comment. And when you go down, you see because Lily Potter's comment is a parent comment. Some text comes up telling you there's one comment, and when you select it, you see Ryan's comment shows up below hers. Because I'm the owner of the comment right now, I'm logged in as Ryan, I can delete it. So when I click delete, asking me for sure, do you want to delete the comment? Most definitely the problem, that's the comment. I click cancel if I don't want to, confirm if I do, so I'm confirming. A message tells me the comment has been deleted. And when you go back to Lily Potter's comment, there's no longer text telling me that there's one comment underneath. And if I click reply, just to show you that there really is no reply underneath it. So if I go to Ryan's profile page, this is an example of what the default profile would look like if a student logged into the CSSE for the first time. It says enter email here, tell us about yourself. I can also perform searches for colleagues on the site. So I'm searching for Lily, but I spelled her name incorrectly. So it tells me no results are found for her. Her name is Lily. So I'm putting the correct name. And search results for Lily come up. I can select her name and view her profile. So this way I know a little more about Lily and what her interests are. So in the blog, I can perform searches as well. I can search via the title of the blog, via the author of it, the year it was posted, or any text within the blog post. So for example, I've entered the word leg. However, there are no posts containing that word, so no results have been found. I'm going to enter Lily as being the author, so all posts written by her will be displayed. There are 2 posts. Now I'm going to show you that you can search posts by text within a post. So I enter the word question, and only one is displayed. It's both within the title and the text of that post actually. In projects, searching is similar with the addition of being able to enter a category. So as you scroll here, you can see journalism and media. Education is also another category. But first I'm going to show you that it does work by searching author. So I search by author Jane, and her projects are displayed. If I search now by the category education, there was only one project, so that project is displayed. So thank you very much for viewing the KafraM-Senior Sharing Center. I hope you enjoyed. I'm going to log out this user, and thank you again.